Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever hosted an online meeting, you know the struggle, keeping people engaged when they're just a click away from checking their email or watching TikToks. Sound familiar? Well, today I've got something that's going to change the way you run virtual events. Say hello to GoBrunch, the webinar platform that makes online meetings more interactive, engaging, and dare I say, fun. GoBrunch is a webinar platform designed to bring the in-person experience to virtual meetings. No downloads, no complicated setups, just an easy-to-use interface that keeps your audience engaged. Whether you're hosting a webinar, an online course, or a company meeting, GoBrunch gives you full control over the experience. And the best part? It's packed with features that make virtual sessions feel human again. Let's check out some of the features that set GoBrunch apart. Interactive virtual rooms. Unlike traditional webinar platforms, GoBrunch lets attendees choose their own seats, interact with others, and feel like they're in a real event space. Breakout rooms. Need to split into small groups? You can host multiple breakout sessions at once, with different facilitators for each. Admin controls. As the host, you have full control. Mute mics, manage cameras, moderate chat, and make sure your session runs smoothly. Engagement tools, polls, hand-raising, reactions. GoBrunch makes participation simple and fun. Want to review who attended and for how long? You can download detailed reports after your session. So if you're tired of boring, disengaging webinars, it's time to switch things up. With GoBrunch, you can create meetings that people actually enjoy and interact with. Want to try it for yourself? Get lifetime access to GoBrunch today. Link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.